All right, it is Monday, August 16th. Market's back in action today. 6:30 Eastern time now. A little after 6:30. Dow was up plus 110. Nasdaq minus 29. S&P plus 11. Crypto is at 46,174. Bitcoin had some news over the weekend. Of course, the Delta variant COVID's exploding cases. You had the Afghanistan Taliban takeover. So a few things in the market, but it didn't shake it. That's for sure. The market, brushed all this off. And the big thing now is probably like the Fed tapering. Is that going to change anything? So, we'll see what happens here. And the market just keeps going straight up. Just basically going straight up, and nothing's stopping it. Guy on CNBC said, "Oh, nothing's going to stop this market." Like when you start hearing stuff like that, it's like be very scared. When everyone starts jumping on the bandwagon, "Oh, nothing's going to happen." That's when things happen when you least expect it. It's life. Nothing's going to keep going straight up. So you can see it right here. I can move my see it right here. Look at the wedge. This is getting tighter and tighter. Very tight channel now because you have your high and your lows. That's a falling wedge. It's a rising wedge, and what happens with it? It drops down. So eventually, I don't know. I said within the next between now and like February, really big drop. So we'll see what happens if I'm right or not. All right, today though, what happened? Small caps didn't nothing great. Summer trading. This is like normal summer trading here. NAOV, came at 75 cents, went straight up, bounced back and forth on the daily chart. This was staying elevated. See this? Look at the volume. So this stayed up a whole 3 weeks here, and today made a really good move. You had news today on this. What was the news? Report second quarter financial results. What else did they say? Plans to expand product portfolio with introduction of pain shield relief over the counter OTC. So that's very good news. So, that came out early. You can see this was just channeling sideways, nothing much, not much volume. Came all the way up to 290. Right here, if you're looking at this early, this 280 held, 280 held. Right on these candles right here. This is the 5-minute chart. This went up, bounced down, went up again. And look, it's nice little dips. Staying within this, your 20 EMA right here, another dip. Eventually found 4, a little above 4, then came back down. Now your 10 minutes even better. Look how clean this is. The 13 over the 20. It's no real move until this candle here. People might have thought this candle, but it did, go sideways. It didn't go down. Until it goes down, you don't really need to get out, if you're playing that long ways. So, this was a nice long all day. And, when is too high to buy? So if you're here, if you're here, and as you're going, as this came from here and you're going all the way up to here, if you're in the middle here and you see this, it's not that far away. When you start getting right up here, that's pretty high from where it went. From pre-market, that was at like 260, so that's over $1. It's a double. So you have to look at them areas. So that's NAOB. Where's this going to go? Well, it's still steady. The stochastics, the volume's heavy. Who knows tomorrow? This could put in a huge back and forth. They did this before after a green day, big red candle. LMFA, this is after hours. It's moving. GOCO. We had this right here. This is from all the way back in July last year, back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles. And this finally found, gap at bottom right here. Good volume today for a bounce. And nothing going on here. Look at the volume here. Choppy volume. and this starts to grind up. That's all it does. Starts to move, volume picks up, and it pretty much lasts all day on this. So yeah, this is a chance to fill this gap eventually. It's very oversold. Yeah, the weekly's at 827. It's extreme oversold levels. What else we have here? Let me see. BHG. This was at a high of 1793, dropped all the way down. Sideways now. See this chopping sideways, this back and forth channel? Very oversold. Tried to come up today and made a really nice move today. So, right here, 860, the bounce, the bounce. This lasted all day. That's a good move all day on this. Again, see when this comes down? And did it go through? No. Did it go through? No. Until it proves it goes through and changes directions. That's what a higher time frames work. Look at this. It was never a sell all day. 13's above the 20. This is like a roller coaster up, roller coaster down. Straight up. Nothing happened here. No change. Does a really strong long. There's COLL. This is a big pull. 1875. You get to 2088. And you can see the daily chart. This is a big gap here. So this is a chance. It's oversold still to keep going. I'd watch that. DMS. Yeah, not much volume here. Look at this. 800. This is no volume. Then it explodes. You'll get stocks like that too. When it's doing this channel, it's going to go, two ways. Of course, down or break up. It broke up hard, break down hard. And you don't know it's going to do that. It's a tougher play there. It's more of you want to avoid when you see no volume like that. TVTX. This is a pre-market move. 18 all the way to 21. Faded. So pre-market was the move, and there it was. It faded. Pretty much channeled sideways. QUMU. Not much volume here. Not much to see here. Except the daily chart. Look at this. 1050. And then this channel, back and forth. Starting to go sideways. Look at the volume. Right from here, you notice this volume. Now we're coming up at 276. And this broke out of this. This is big. 23.6 fibs is at like 425. This is room to run here. Their weekly chart, look, it's way oversold. It's been sideways since back in April. It's been flat and dead. That's why I see stocks can go sideways, or down for a long time. Look at this. So this is a chance to move up. You can see just a little blip. It's trying to move. The monthly still negative though. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days. You've straight down. This white has to cross the red, so it's not there yet. Is this the bottom? It's hard to say. Yes, could move up and then come back down. So it's caught in between now on that. So, at the best of days, normal summer trading, gainers kind of fell apart. You don't have massive gainers. So, that's it for now. A lot of EV stocks are pretty much, they're falling down a little bit here. They're not holding ground. So market's kind of strange. Dow's going up, S&P, NASDAQ fought off a big downward action today, probably with the Afghanistan news and coronavirus. So, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Always another day in the market. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Go to our Twitter, Mike K Trades, Instagram, Mike Cayman Alerts, StockTwits, Mike Cayman Alerts, and TikTok, Mike Frank I, or Mike Frank, or Mike Cayman Trades. I don't know. I switched it. Who knows what all these social media craziness. That's it. Peace.